How to fix Huawei Mate 70 won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your mobile data. After turning on your mobile data, then go back and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on system and updates and click on reset. Now in second you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.